Okay, hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're flipping excited for this new video.
How are you?
Sorry, my mom. And so don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and hit the bell. But I gave Peyton my first ever slime that I made. This is a while ago. I locked it in my closet though, and it's pink. I named it Lily the Whale, but I don't know what she named it.
Lily the Whale, I'm keeping its name.
Okay.
And turn on that light. Because it gives it that light. There we go.
Good. So here's the slime. And we're going to be making the big bubbles. It's not butter slime. Why would you do that? I hate when people do that.
I know.
She's going to make a bubble.
There's
Like that.
small.
And if you guys want
There's
to...
smalls. Did you see that? That was so cool.
We're going to be giving you guys a tutorial if you don't know how to.
So what you want to do, you want to get it flat as you can be. If you want to poke it, that's fine. And all you have to do, stretch it and start down. And here's one and up.
We still got the fake nails on.
Yeah, here we go. I'm going to make it really, really crunchy for a sec.
We're going to be quiet so you guys can hear the sounds quick.
Where's my brush? And here we go again, up and down. Oh, that one turned out really good.
I saw that.
Alright, here we go with another bubble. Hopefully it gets really, really big.
Here's a demonstration. So you stretch it out and then flip it like that. Oh, except for when it does that. And then it becomes crunchy. I always have to crunch it. It just is my pet peeve. My pet peeves, we'll try to do a pet peeve slime video, the next video. If I brought my slime, I will show you. But if you guys want to follow my slime account on my Musical.ly, it is slime_dot_dot queen. It has all my slimes that I make and me poking it on my Musical.ly. It would, my sign up was blocked on my Instagram, so I didn't have an Instagram account. So I had to get it on Musical.ly. And me and Peyton's slime YouTube account is slime x queenz. If you guys want to follow it,
I thought that was your Instagram.
Nope. So if you guys want to go subscribe to it, it'll be in the description box below. And Queen has a Z at the end instead of an S. So here it is. So yeah.
I'm going to sit up so you guys can see it correctly.
By the way, at the end of every single video we do, we'll be like, we'll snap